won't get much doing.
Good morning, welcome back to another video. Cheers for joining me again. I've been out camping with Ben and I've been out camping with Dan. Say hello, Dan.
Hello.
Dan's the reason I've got a YouTube channel. It was this camera that I bought off Dan when we first started camping together, and I've been camping with our mate Tim, who's still at the camp as well. I decided not to film just so I wasn't really worrying about the camera too much, but I'm going to do another night tonight in the same spot. But Dan, thanks for coming camping with me, mate. It's been wicked to catch up with you again, dude.
Yeah, meet you, man. Nice to meet you, boys. Nice to meet Tim as well, wasn't it?
Yeah.
See you in a bit. Same setup as I used last night. I'm back out in the DD travel bivvy hammock. I've just got my issued roll mat in there. I find the issued roll mats that actually roll out like this work in the hammock a lot better than the concertina Z-Lite type. I find mine bunches up a little bit at my foot end, but the ones that roll out like this issued one just seem to sit in there a lot better. Thing with the travel bivvy hammock, you get an extra pocket underneath. I've used this on the ground a few times just as a bivvy. But I've got that set up pretty spot on. I had a good sleep last night. I only woke up this morning once to the deer barking. But apart from that, yeah, it was really comfy, nice and taut. I always find it more comfortable when it's set up a little more taut. Just got my kit at the head end, and then I'm just using my Camelback for water. Get 3 litres in there. I put the Camelback in the fridge the night before I go camping just so I've got cold water for most of the day. I just put the whole thing in. Ben made a little stretcher bed again last night with his 2 tripods and supporting poles, but he's gone back. I think he's coming back again tonight. So Tim's gone for, well, it kind of looks like a crane pot hanger, but I've never seen it done like this before. He's out in the bivvy bag. He could keep his face dry if there were chances of rain just by having that bit of canvas over there. So he's still fully waterproofed. Nice little idea that, just with some pegs. And then you've got it tensioned at the back here to the pole. Because it's so warm at the minute, I just came out with the wool blanket on top of the roll mat. Didn't have a sleeping bag or bivvy bag or anything. Had my little Thermarest compressible pillow. And this was warm enough, this was plenty. When I woke up this morning, I could feel it a little bit on my feet, but it was more than warm enough through the night. This is a spot we've camped at a few times now. And our friend Rob, who's Wild Ways Bushcraft on Instagram, him and his brother Jim made this smoker, and they'd done some beef jerky in there, and it was so tasty. Did you eat any of that, Tim, that beef jerky?
Good, man.
Nice, wasn't it? We cooked a load of stuff up on the hot plate last night. Really like carrying that. It's well worth the wait, especially if there's a few of you at camp. You can get loads of meat on there, or veg or whatever. Cooks a little nicer than a grill, I find. I don't know, there's something special about cast iron, don't you reckon? Just had a little sharpen up of the axe. I just got this puck off Amazon, it's really cheap. It's got 2 grades on it, like a coarse side and a fine side. And then Tim let me use his little ceramic stone just to finish it off. If I sharpen any of my tools up when I'm out in the field, because I bring the sunflower oil, I just use this on my stones. It works just as well as anything else. Gonna get the twig stove going, gonna have a little coffee, mid-afternoon coffee. And I brought the little titanium Best I Got coffee press. I haven't had this out in a while. It's so good. There you go, my friend.
Thank you.
Right, Tim's decided to start carving a mushroom for Ben, and a few people in our little camping group are all going to carve Ben a little mushroom for his windowsill in the van for when he moves into it full time. So I've just cut this little piece of hazel, and my idea is to cut 3 small little mushrooms, maybe all varying in size, so they can stay as like a little 3-piece on the windowsill. And then if I mess it up, it won't be too much work gone in the bin. I can just knock another one out because they're quite small. And I feel like everyone else is doing slightly bigger ones, so this might tuck in the corner somewhere nice. So we'll see how we get on with that. Well, that's where I'm at so far, out of my 3 little mini ones. I'm kind of just making it up as I go along. Trial and error. It's not looking too bad. You can just get lost in it for like an hour, can't you, and not say a word.
Yeah, it's fantastic. It's like meditating.
I always have to think a little harder when I'm working with the small stuff though, because like we were chatting about earlier, it takes the tiniest mistake to ruin a small piece. Right, I've got to smash the rest of my coffee before I can have my beer. Tim has spoken. Straight onto the Beavertown Lunar Haze, 4.5. I know what this one tastes like, I've had it 100 times. Chill vibes in the woods. There's 2 out of the 3 completed next to Tim's. Whether you think they look like mushrooms, butt plugs, candy dummies, peanuts in a shell, you make your mind up, but 2 out of 3 done. I think Ben will be happy.
Bravo, bravo.
Well played, sir.
Well played, Batman.
Jolly good show, old chap.
What's we saying?
You there, boy. What, love? Just knocked up a little something that I've done before for the cast iron griddle tonight. Got a few bits of food to cook up. That's why we're having a fire. Got to be really careful in the summer. Well, you've got to be careful all year round, but especially in the summer. This is a fire pit we've used plenty of times before, away from all the trees, dug out correctly, and it'll be doused completely tomorrow. Here he comes, look, he's been out on a wood hunt. Ahoy there, shipmate.
Will you eat?
Putting some graft in, lad.
Been bitten on my forehead. Bad. Just a little itchy.
Shot, sir. There you go, probably one of the most over-engineered griddles that I've seen, but hey, we're just out here having fun. Got these little spreader bars in there, it's all made out of hazel, just knocked up some pegs. Neither of us are hungry yet, so we're going to wait till a little bit later to get this fire going. It'd be a waste to have it on now. I've got a load of birch bark that I collected off one of the birch trees on the roundabout in the last video, and then I've just got that split pine, got a few spruce twigs, and then some of the kindling that I split up earlier. Good to go. First strike, easy does it.
Yeah, baby.
Sun's shining through the trees, slept like an absolute log again. Ben's just pitched back up to camp. I'm going to get the fire going. I'm going to cook some breakfast. I'm going to get some coffee on the go. Not really got any plans today. Just going to chill out. I don't have to be back till this evening, so I'm probably just going to hang out for most of the day. Woohoo! Little morning walk through the woods. Get the blood flowing and wake up properly. Nowhere else I'd rather be. Legend!
What is it you want out of poker?
Ben's joined us.
It's the dog.
Move us into the city. Yo!
Fourth time's a charm.
Shot, lad. Grub's up.
What we got? 2 bacon, 2 sausage.
Whatever you want, mate. It's got to be eaten.
Yeah, I'll have a little bit there then.
I'm gonna smash it all in one big wrap.
Mm-hmm.
Tell you what I could do with you. Well, it was nice of Ben to pop down this morning for an hour.
Yeah, that was the turkey benefit.
Hour or two.
Brilliant. Good boy.
Anyone still watching? If you're still watching this, then fair play to you. Thanks very much. Well, I've had a great time. You had a good time, Tim?
No, I've been rubbish, mate. Absolute 100% rubbish.
It's not where you are, mate. It's the company you keep, and
Oh,
we're in a beautiful bit of nature, and the company just wasn't quite up to it, was it, for you?
Kind of don't want it to end, mate. No, it has been really good. Except for you being here, it's been brilliant.
Right, well, thanks. If you're new here, by the way, because the channel kind of has gone a little bit bigger recently, so I'm Craig, if you don't know. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for watching my videos. Really appreciate all of you. You want to thank him, Tim? Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, Craig. He's a ledge.
There you go. Cheers. See you soon.